What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your caller ID or simply hide your phone number, make it private when you're calling someone. So you can do this two ways. The first way I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone. So click the phone app, then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Scroll all the way down to supplementary service and then you will see show caller ID. Tap on that and simply click on never, and that's all. Right? I'll put back mine to default for now. The second way how you can do this, guys, is by simple open up your phone app again and you simply want to type asterisk 31 and hashtag. Simple hit the call button, and as you can see there, it says MIM mode is enabled. See, hide outgoing caller ID service was enabled. Simple tap OK. And that's how I enable it. And if you want to disable it, then it's just simple type in hashtag 31 hashtag call, and as you can see, it is now disabled. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.